Alright, I'm gonna just like quietly play Shakira in the background. Shakira featuring Beyonce, because I was just cheated on, so I'm gonna play Beautiful Liar. So here I am drinking. Wow, I'm like, this is not a vlog, this is an unpackaging video. Oh my god. You know the drama I find. Romwe, of course. What did I order? What did I buy? Oh my god, see, okay, so I bought a gold leafy bracelet. Hold it, I'm gonna get it quick. Okay, I just got this leafy bracelet and I saw this one like it's silver. Wow. It's not the exact same thing, but leafy is so pretty. I enjoy this a lot. He's so pretty. Ooh, Shakira's so hot. Oof. And Beyonce, of course, but Shakira. Sorry. My bisexual ass is like, alright, I don't know what I bought here. I forget. This velvet. Oh! It's so cute. Alright. I'm gonna try this on real quick. I was making the camera. Ooh. I'm gonna have to cut that out. So if you're watching this now, you definitely cut that part out. Ooh, it's so cute. Ah. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I have to show you. That would help. Just ignore my leggings. Oh yeah, I got my belly button pierced. I'll post that too. I probably already posted this by the time I posted that. This. Oh my god, I'm too drunk.